Hi guys, if CoPilot is not appearing in Microsoft Teams, then here is how to fix it. So what you can do, you can just delete cache files and restart Microsoft Teams. How to delete cache files? So if you have newer version of Microsoft Teams, you have to go to this path. If you have older classic Microsoft Teams version, then go to this path. Okay. If you have older, right click on start button, click on run and paste this path. Click on OK. If it says Windows cannot find, that means you have a newer version. That is in my case. So I'll copy the bigger path. Click on OK. I have given all both these two paths in the description of this video. Just find it from there. Now once you reach here, just delete the cache files. Okay. Once all the cache files gets deleted, restart Microsoft Teams and see whether your problem is fixed or not.